Well, good morning or afternoon or whatever heck it is to you. We are in the beautiful downtown Ocala. That's kind of the area I live in. Wow, it is a brisk 36 degrees out this morning here on this being Christmas Day, hence there's no traffic. And yeah, just wanted to come and say hello, and I just wanted to thank everyone that is subscribed to the channel, watches my videos, hits that like button, shares. It's encouraging. I had a really good year this year on YouTube. I mean, I had a good time doing my videos, and I just had a good time. I mean, this is why I do it. It's not a job for me. I mean, it's just fun, and it's fun to document your travels and learn new techniques like editing and sound mixing and photography and videography, and it's just a lot of fun. You know, you can do more than just, you know, that's what YouTube is. It's not, you know, you are a producer, a director, a script writer, basically you name it, everything that has to go in any kind of production, you're it. And it's just such a joy to be able to do it. And I just want to say I really appreciate everyone that comes along my rides with me in the journey. It means a lot, you know. And I'm looking really forward to next year. You know, we're gonna have some great adventures next year. I've got a lot of stuff coming up. You know, the biggest thing on the ticker, of course, is Alaska. So we're gonna have a dedicated series for Alaska, and that is going to be not all the time, but I'm going to start putting out videos of reasons why I'm going, prepping, and all the other stuff that goes into these trips. It's not just jump on the bike. I mean, if it was paved 100% of the way, I'd be going on the Goldwing, but it's not. And that's what kind of makes some of the adventure, isn't it? But once again, I hope everyone has a great day today, a wonderful holiday season, whether you're celebrating Christmas, you celebrated Hanukkah. But one thing we all have in common is Happy New Year, because nobody's offended by that, I hope, by now. But who knows, somebody's like, oh, I'm getting older. Can't please everybody, right, fellas and ladies? But once again, just thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching, subscribing, and just being on the journey with me. It means a tremendous amount to me. And thank you. Bye.